Ki Zarim Niba, Tajik Tinsum Derbel, Iram Shipi, Alana Maybe, Tomba Chimbo, Kachip Chinro Yonjin, Skunda Meba, Osa Chambo, Yavi Gao, Tamsin Chincha, Zilpa Chimbo, Tantan Druiton, the Kasi Garger Stancha, Jabji Kasser Kurdarumbochi Chodan, Ki Shomo, Kasser Jason Pamacho, Ki Korton Kodik Sosokon Soso, Kasser Totan Lorg Chocheni, Tanjik Tanberti Son, the Mandratan, Tensim Dermble Shuji.
We now proceed to the second part of our program, the Long Life Prayer Offering. His Eminence, former Minister Kyabje Kirti Rinpoche Cho, His Holiness's sister and former Minister, the Honorable Kasur Madam Chizumpe Amacho, and the Chairman of the Organizing Committee, former Speaker and Minister, the Honorable Thupten Lungri Cho, will present the Long Life Mandala offering to His Holiness, praying that he remains with us for eons to come.
Lachi Namji, Lacher Sircha Mansu Yoni, Yavi Shaftan, Sondip Swatanje, Ki Kortonji, Gender Yoni, also Nam Demushuji.
Next is prayer of long life of His Holiness Dalai Lama.
Join with lay people in reciting prayers from His Holiness's, for His Holiness's long life. All sponsors are invited to make their various ceremonial offerings. We will now serve tea and JC, the sacred, sweet rice offering.
This long life prayer was written by His Holiness the late two tutors of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, Gyabje Yongzin Ling Rinpoche and Gyabje Yongzin Chijang Rinpoche. It invokes the assembly of most kind teachers, both past and present, the miraculous dance of the body, speech, and mind of innumerable Buddhas manifesting in accord with the aspirations of the spiritual capacities, the wish-granting jewel, the source of all good and virtue and good. And with fervent devotion, we pray that the Tenzin Gyatso, protector of the land of snows, live for 100 eons, shower on him your blessings so that his aspirations are fulfilled without hindrance. And then the next, it invokes the assembly of meditational deities, manifesting as countless mandalas and divinities, the magical clouds of immaculate transcendent wisdom reaching to the farthest expanse of the space of ultimate reality. To you we offer a prayer with fervent devotion that Tenzin Gyatso, protector of the land of snow, live for 100 eons. Shower on him your blessings so that his aspirations are fulfilled without hindrance. And then next we invoke the victorious Buddhas, then the Dharma and the Supreme Sangha, and we pray with fervent devotion. We offer our fervent devotions that Tenzin Gyatso, protector of the land of snows, live for 100 eons. Shower on him your blessings so that his aspirations are fulfilled without hindrance. And then the assemblies of heroes and Darkas and Dakinis, and the ocean of protectors, Dharma protectors, endowed with eyes of transcendent wisdom, the powerful guardians and upholders of the teaching who wear inseparably on their matted clocks, that knot symbolizing their pledge to the Vajra holder, the Buddha. To you we offer our prayers with fervent devotion that Tenzin Gyatso, protector of the land of snows, will live for 100 eons. Shower on him your blessings so that his aspirations are fulfilled without hindrance. Thus, to the congregation of excellent, undeceiving refuge, we pray that by the power of this prayer, expressed from our heart, filled with fervent devotion and humility, may the body, speech, and mind of the soul of the land of snows, the supreme Ngawang Lobsang Tenzin Gyatso, be indestructible, unfluctuating, and unceasing. May he live immutable for 100 eons, seated on the diamond throne, transcending decay and destruction. You are the jewel heart embodying all compassionate, beneficial deeds. O most courageous one, you carry upon your shoulders the